In this video we gonna show you microwave popcorn from Aldi supermarkets. This popcorn brand is only available in Aldi on American Week. On the popcorn pack you can see the preparation duration. It is depending on your microwave's power settings. Now let's watch how to prepare the popcorn snack. These instructions are mostly the same for every microwave popcorn. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.